In the virgin forests of the Kanto region, a storm is not something to fear. It is a feast. For the Pikachu, lightning is sustenance. They play in the thunder, absorbing pure voltage, living in perfect harmony with the planet's energy. But the human world is hungry. We demand power, endless, cheap, and green. Enter the solution. Why burn coal when biology provides the perfect battery? No longer hunted in the wild, they are now mass-produced. Welcome to the bioenergy farms. 100% organic power, the brochure says. But inside, there is no nature, only silence and the hum of extraction. Millions of creatures born in captivity, confined to glass cells, connected 24 hours a day, drained until they are empty. And the Voltorbs, they are volatile generators. When their biological shell cracks from overcharging, they are simply discarded. Electronic waste. A pile of living rust in the backyard of progress. Every time you turn on a light switch, remember where the spark comes from. The lights are on, but their eyes are gone.